Hello, my name is David Boette. I'm a real estate agent with Exit Real Estate Gallery. With over 9,000 realtors serving Northeast Florida, I'd just like to share 3 things about myself that will help you with your next real estate transaction. The first thing is, what I care about most is customer satisfaction. If you're not happy, I'm not happy. 100% customer satisfaction is my goal. The second thing is, even if you are happy, I'm still not happy. There are so many things trying to ruin the sales process and stress people out. And the last thing I want to mention is, I bring a calming element to the sales process. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me with the information at the end of this video. Thank you and have a great day.